The Monica project is a large-scale demonstration of new and existing IoT applications for smarter living. The focus is on cultural performances in open-air settings, which creates challenges in terms of crowd safety, security, and sound.
Monica
is one of 5 major EU projects that put the Internet of Things to work. The project supports outdoor events in terms of improving the sound experience at the events and reducing unwanted sound emissions. The second aspect is safety. It is always interesting to see how people are moving at these events. So the project also provides crowd monitoring with the help of technology support.
Das sind unsere Tracker, GPS-Tracker zur Lokalisierung der Einsatzkräfte.
These are our tracker devices for locating the forces, and they work based on GPS or radio frequencies, which enable us to locate the emergency services such as the police, fire brigade, security on a large digital map. This means that the control centre always has an overview of where its forces are currently located on site and can thus communicate more efficiently with particular emergency services.
What you see here is what we call heat maps. It's basically the map of the place, and you have different locations here shown by this icon showing the position of the sound level meters. And what the heat map is doing is try to estimate what is the noise level in different locations based on those measurements.
The data coming from various IoT-enabled devices deployed at the event are integrated using the Monica Cloud platform. The platform consists of components which analyze data and detect incidents, supporting operators in assessing the situation and making decisions. Incorporation of crowd density and optical flow data can provide qualitative information about crowd dynamics such as congestion, flow, and critical overcrowding. A Security Fusion node can also be used to get more accurate crowd density estimations through aggregation and incorporation of multiple crowd density estimation algorithms. In Monica, IoT wristbands are used for several purposes. They can be used to create crowd heat maps and light shows at music concerts, and also enable people to connect with each other.
After the participant has registered using the IoT Week app, they can use this wristband to do several things. One of the things that the participant can do is connect with other participants by pressing the button on the wristband simultaneously and holding the wristbands close together. Once they do that, the new connection will be made visible inside the Events app. That's one function. Another function is that during keynotes, a keynote speaker will ask for a certain question or a certain statement, and the participants can vote in favor or against the statement. If they're in favor of the statement, they push the button. So once they push the button presses will immediately appear on a large screen on the stage, so you can immediately see in real time how many people are in favor of this particular statement. So that's a second functionality. A third functionality that can be achieved with this wristband is heat maps. So heat maps is mostly interesting for the event organizer. It allows the event organizer how many people are where and how many people have been visiting certain booths, for example. How many people have been visiting keynote A or visiting keynote B. So that's a third functionality.
Imagine you have a concert and you have some neighbors around which are annoyed by this concert. What we do is we cancel the sound of the concert in the neighboring area, and we use that by using even more loudspeakers, like the loudspeakers I'm sitting on right now. And we have many loud microphones in the neighboring area that measure the sound from the concert stage, the sound that would come from our loudspeakers, and then we synthesize a sound field in that neighboring area, which will, as best as possible, reduce the sound from the concert stage.
Ja, für die polizeiliche Einsatzleitung wäre es wichtig, wenn größere Personen...
It would be important for police command and control, when large numbers of people meet at a certain point, to communicate decisions as quickly as possible, to bring police forces to that place and there to offer appropriate decisions and assistance, in particular to other services like the emergency services, which can then be coordinated and managed by the police much faster and better.
Monica is an ambitious project trying to solve two major challenges at large outdoor music events. First, the project deploys sound monitoring solutions with the overall goal to attenuate the sound beyond the concert area. The audience wants to hear the music full blast, whereas the people who live nearby prefer not to. Second, crowd safety and security are top priorities which Monica Crowd Management Solution supports by offering capacity monitoring, incident detection and immediate communication with staff. To ensure their usefulness, the solutions are deployed and validated by 6 European cities, which mix and match applications according to their specific needs. Thereby, they are also showing the flexibility of the Monica IoT platform.